Tecno may not be the first brand that you'll think of when it comes to value for money smartphones, but it has been on the market for a while, offering quality devices at low prices. And the latest Tecno POVA 2, which is priced at $7,990 in the Philippines, focuses on delivering a great experience, specifically when gaming. So join us for the rest of this video as we unbox the new Tecno POVA 2 and talk about some of its key specs and features and how you can benefit from them. This is a Tecno POVA 2 retail box in silver with a holographic design. And on the back, you'll find the key specs of the smartphone. It says here 7,000 milliamp battery with 18-watt flash charge, 6.9-inch screen with 180 Hz touch sampling rate, a Helio G85 chip, and 48 megapixel AI quad camera. Now let's open the box, shall we? This is a unit, but let's talk about it later. First, you'll see the warranty card. And you'll have stickers over here. Now this is a clear silicone case. This is a USB-C charging cable with orange accents. The 3.5mm earphones. The SIM-EJECT tool. And finally, the 18-watt charger. Moving to the phone itself, the Tecno POVA 2 is equipped with a massive and sharp LCD display that has a punch hole at the center for the selfie camera. It measures 9.6 millimeters at its thickest point. This is one of the largest devices you'll see in the category, with a footprint that's almost equal to that of a tablet. One-handed usage is out of the question, and you'll need both hands to reach the corners of the screen. The port selection here is familiar, while the button placement is about as good as it will get for a smartphone this big. And you do get a headphone to connect wired audio devices, as well as a modern USB-C port for charging and file transfer. There's a fingerprint scanner built in to the power button on the right, just below the textured volume keys. The left side of the POVA 2 has 2 nano SIM cards plus a MicroSD card for storage expansion if you need it. At the back, things get a little more interesting. This polar silver variant of the POVA 2 has a nice textured finish with multiple vertical stripes running across the middle and the POVA branding located on the left side. There's also a rectangular camera module that pairs a pleasingly sharp main sensor with secondary sensors for macros and portraits. Unfortunately, you won't find an ultra-wide or a zoom camera here. In any case, here are some photos we took using the Tecno POVA 2's rear and front cameras and the various shooting modes on board the default camera app. When it comes to key features, we can name 3. There's a 6.9-inch LCD display with a full HD resolution and a high screen-to-body ratio and a minimal top bezel thanks to the punch hole cutout. This screen is also equipped with a 180Hz touch sampling rate for better sensitivity, particularly when playing games like Mobile Legends. If you're a super competitive gamer, an unresponsive touchscreen can be your worst enemy. And you don't have to worry about laggy performance in most games either. Thanks to the Tecno POVA 2's gaming-focused MediaTek Helio G85 processor, this chipset is one of the best choices at this price range and delivers smooth frame rates in Mobile Legends and other popular online games. Making things better on the hardware side is the Tecno POVA 2's 6GB of RAM and 128GB of expandable storage to give you enough space for photos and videos and all your favorite apps on the Google Play Store. Last but not the least, the battery in the POVA 2 should easily last you 2 to 3 days with a monster capacity of 7,000 mAh, making sure that your phone won't die on you when you need it the most. The battery supports quick charging up to 18 watts too, so you won't have to wait long to get the phone juiced up and ready to go. So that's your first look at the new Tecno POVA 2, which again has a suggested retail price of $7,990 in the Philippines. If you're after a capable smartphone with a massive touchscreen and the battery capacity to go along with it, we highly encourage you to check it out. Locally, the POVA 2 is now available at all Tecno partner retailers nationwide, including Memo Express and online on LAZADA and SHOPEE. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.